How to upload files on Monday.com? You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open a Monday.com board and select the item where you need to upload a file, ensuring it's in the correct project. 2. Click on the File column or go to the Update section of that item to find the File Upload option. 3. Click the Attach File button and select a file from your computer, or drag and drop the file directly into the designated area. 4. If you need to upload multiple files, use the bulk upload option to attach several documents at once for better efficiency. 5. Integrate with cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive to upload files directly from your storage account. 6. Set permissions for uploaded files so only specific team members can view or edit the documents as needed. 7. Click Save, and your file will be uploaded successfully, ready for team members to access and collaborate on.